Hello everyone. Today I'm going to create navigation bar in React Gatsby. So to create a Gatsby project, open your terminal and enter Gatsby new and the name of your project. So I'm entering Gatsby new menu and it will create a new folder like here and open your navigate to your project folder and type Gatsby develop. This will run your application. So for the first time it takes like few minutes to open the application, and to create the navigation bar we are going to use one of the UI library, React UI library. So that's like React-Bootstrap. So go to your browser and type React-Bootstrap, and this one shows how to install this in our project. So here you can see, right? So copy this, and here I'm opening my project folder. So this is my project folder, and you can see right here these are the default pages. Yeah, it's done. So you can see the project at localhost 8000, because you can see here, right, localhost 8000. So this is the default theme which is provided by the Gatsby. Yeah, so this is the index page, and here we have different layouts, everything. So what I will do is I will remove everything. I want to make it as a blank page. Refresh. Now you can see, right, everything is blank. And here I'm going to copy this, and what I will do is I will paste it here in the terminal. It will install the React Bootstrap UI library for your project. So click here and make sure to save it. So after, and the second step is we have to import this CSS file to our index page. Now we can use React Bootstrap library. So what I will do is I will copy this file, and in the components I'm going to create one component for menu. So I'm naming it as menu.js, and I'm going to paste it. So instead of index I will name it as menu. So here I'm calling the component, so I'm importing that component with the name of menu from /component/menu, and I'm displaying the menu over here. So here we will create the navigation bar. Here you can see, if you go to components, we have different types of components for to create like different kind of alerts, to create different kind of cards, etc, etc. And so in this case I'm going with navigation bar. So in navigation bar we have different kinds of navigation, like search with drop down, and like form over in navigation bar. So we have different things, but we need the navigation bar to be responsive, so I'm going to use responsive navigation bar. So it's over here. So what I'm going to do is I will copy this whole code and I will paste it here. And what I will do is I don't want this drop down, and I don't want this other two navigation, so I will delete those. So these are those two, and this is the drop down. And what will happen is, if you execute it, so I saved it and I'll execute, you will get an error. See, module not found, can't resolve min.css, and it's saying that navbar is not defined, navigation is not defined, right? So what you have to do is go here and import both from React-Bootstrap. So it's asking to import navbar and nav, right? So import navbar, yeah, that's it. So if you execute it, it will work now. Yeah, yeah, we got it, right? So if I want these menu options to be on the right side, just we have to do is, instead of MR auto, make it as ML. Now the menu bar moves to the right side. Just refresh it. Here you can see, right? And also, instead of only 2 options, I want to make it for 6 options. Refresh. Here, to make sure whether it's responsive or not, I want to check it. So go to develop and responsive design. So here I want to check for iPhone SE. And if I go to higher resolution, we are getting the name on the left side and the menu bar on the right side. If you're going to the mobile size, I'm getting the name on the left side and I'm getting here to toggle the menu bar. That's it. If you have any doubts, please do mention in the comments. Thank you.